Could AI eliminate humans in 10 years? It's a question that sparks intense debate among experts. Some believe it's plausible that within the next decade, AI could reach or surpass human intelligence. Not necessarily in every domain, but in ways that could be dangerous. Imagine AI being intentionally weaponized by bad actors, or even developing its own goals that, despite our best intentions, could lead to unforeseen and catastrophic outcomes. We're talking about scenarios where AI, even without consciousness, could be used to create global pandemics or other widespread harm. The speed of AI development is a huge factor here. Some predictions suggest that AI could automate its own research and coding within a few years, potentially leading to an intelligence explosion and superintelligence by the early 2030s. If our ability to ensure AI safety and alignment doesn't keep up with this rapid advancement, the risks could escalate dramatically. However, not everyone agrees on this accelerated timeline or the nature of the threat. Some researchers are extending their predictions, acknowledging the unpredictable nature of AI progress. Others argue that more immediate concerns, like privacy, environmental impact, or human misuse of AI, are more pressing than a hypothetical AI uprising. They suggest that AI might not develop human-like emotions or malicious intent, and that accidental, rather than deliberate harm is a more likely, though still speculative, risk. The field of AI safety is actively working to address these challenges, striving to ensure that advanced AI systems are developed responsibly and align with human values. But with the rapid pace of innovation, there's a constant question of whether safety measures are keeping pace.